Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Before we get started, I want to just say what I'm doing here on YouTube, guys, and the information that I'm giving here for free. A lot of people would charge you a lot of money for that. And all I'm asking for return, guys, is please comment, like, subscribe, and help support my channel so I can continue to make these videos. All right. So today I'm going to be breaking down Chewy. I'm going to be talking about the swing setups for Chewy. I'm also going to be looking at the day trading opportunities with SPY. So if you're ready, let's step into the war zone. All right. So as you guys know, I have my private swing trading room, and I want to talk to you about the Chewy setup that I gave and why I was so interested in it and how it turned out. So back on February 5th, I gave the room the entry, stop, and first target on Chewy, right? So at the time when I gave the entry, Chewy looked like this, okay? So what did I notice about Chewy is we were pushing up against all-time highs, and we had big short sellers 2 weeks prior, actually 3 weeks prior. So with this close of this inside bar, I was very, very interested to see if Chewy can actually break through and make new all-time highs. And that was my trade thesis going into the week. So I set the order up on the weekend with everyone in the room right here. Entry was 110.22, stop 102.25, and the first take profit was actually at 1-to-1. So let me bring that down, which was right about here. So what we did with this trade is we got filled a few days back. Chewy actually came down all the way back here and it looked like it was going to stop us out. And that's why I have my stops in special places that I use Fibonacci for, because I know that if I keep my stop down here, I can still be in the trade and not get stopped out. So Chewy came all the way down here, flipped around, popped up, had a big rally today and hit first target. So right here in the room. So winner Chewy hitting first targets. All right, guys. And the rest of my position on Chewy, I'm willing to hold it for a little bit longer because I could see a huge potential here on this stock. And I'm a big believer in this company. All right. So guys, trading doesn't need to be complicated. You can put your orders in on the weekend like I do for my swing trades and just let them be automated and let them work throughout the week. Okay. So you don't have to, trading doesn't have to be as complicated as some other people make it out to be. Put your trades in on the weekend, let it do its thing, and just sit back and let it work like a robot. Let your money work for you. All right. So if you guys are interested in the private room, I'm going to be honest with you guys. Here is the the monthly performance and for February right here, guys. Every trade that we've taken so far this month has been a winner. There are a few that are in the red. So Apple, Facebook, and only Apple and Facebook are, and I believe Netflix are in the red for us. Everything else, we've already hit profits. We've already hit targets. And the way that I do my swings is when we win, I win 2 to 3 times on average of what my losers are. So if that's the case, I only need to win 34 out of 100 trades in order for me to actually make profits in the long run. Okay. So that's how I do it. I keep it very simple. I put the orders on the weekend. I let the market do its thing. I have protective stops and targets. So I could literally just sit back and watch the action. All right. And then I just want to quickly talk about SPY here. So let me pull up SPY on this chart for you guys. So this week, for those that are in my boot camp and for those that are day trading with me, we had a very, very amazing week. And I just really want to focus on the Fibonacci and how beautiful that was this week. And you guys can look at the other videos for the Fibonacci. But again, we had the same situation today. So we had this initial push, this impulsive leg at the open, right? And like I said in my previous videos, once we have that impulsive leg and that push, we draw the Fibonacci from the low to the high. And right here, you could see at these Fibonacci levels, there were big algorithms that stepped in and they bought boom, boom. And then we had this huge squeeze right there, hitting all the targets on the way up. All right. So Fibonacci this week for me has been 4 out of 4. I had only winners. It's been amazing. And it's all from my book. My book is $75, guys. And this system alone has produced, if you're risking $1,000 per trade, the Fibonacci has produced well over $10,000 this week alone. All right. So thank you very much for your time. I appreciate you. And please comment, like, subscribe, help me out, because what I'm saying right here, guys, I'm telling you, other people will be charging a shit ton for this. All right. So I appreciate you. Have a great weekend.